What's up everyone, in this video I will share you guys tutorial to reduce echo using equalizers. First of all, we can't completely reduce echo, but we can reduce the echo so that our audio will be much cleaner than with echo. And here is an before and after video of using this tutorial. This is a test recording for echo reduction guide. This is a test recording for echo reduction guide. An overview of what we are doing is that we are finding echo using equalizers and we are going to reduce the sound of the echo by using the equalizer. For this tutorial, I am using Fairlight with a Neutron 3 equalizer. I am using Neutron 3 equalizer because it will allow you to add 12 point over EQ so that you can completely fine tune this echo reduction. Also, I am going to add this plugin over to my entire track so that every clip will get affected. You can use the same setup or you can do completely different setup. Whatever you use, the procedure is same. So open up this equalizer, add a point. After that, change the point type to bell, that is small up and down shape. We are adding bell shape because it will allow you to increase the volume and it will also allow you to decrease the volume of that point. So that's why we are using this bell shape. After that, increase the Q factor of that point. Q factor is the range of that point. If you increase the Q factor a lot, it will only affect small portion so that remaining audio will not get affected. After that, increase the volume of that point by dragging it above and move it across the equalizer to find distortion in audio. This is a test recording for echo reduction guide. After finding the distortion, just reduce the volume of that point to the lowest value as possible as you can. If you want, you can adjust the Q factor so that you can include more of the distortion. Make sure that you don't remove good audio. Also, sometimes you don't want to completely lower the volume because it will affect the audio. So do the same step, that is add more points and find the distortion and lower the volume of the distortion. So this is how you can reduce echo using equalizer. So that's all about this simple tutorial guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.